Hello, this is Beanie here. Happy New Year. Let's start 2026 with an analysis into Hang Seng Tech. The question here and what I'm going to cover in this video is whether Hang Seng Tech has reversed upwards technically. Now, to tackle whether it has reversed upwards, then we need to look at whether the downtrend still continue and whether there's an uptrend that's starting. So first, let's talk about how to define an uptrend or a downtrend. Now, I have this one on the chart. I'm just going to draw an uptrend and a downtrend. So when we have a downtrend, so this is what we have, right? So what would be the defining points of a downtrend is when you have a lower low. That means a low that is lower than the previous low, and price makes a lower high versus the previous high. And when this pattern continues on, that's where you have the downtrend. And what's in an uptrend? Uptrend will be the reverse. It's when you have 4 points where the high makes a higher high versus the previous high, and the low here, which is this low here, makes a higher low versus the previous low. And when the patterns continue, that's where there is an uptrend for this particular price movement. Then how do we know that there is a trend reversal? It means that price no longer makes a downtrend. Now, what makes it no longer makes a downtrend is when the high, which is this particular high here, is higher than the previous high. And this is a telltale sign, right? But it also means that if price moves down subsequently, it makes a low point, and this low point is higher than the previous low. So when price continue to make a higher high and a higher low pattern, this would give rise to an uptrend. However, the defining point of a trend reversal is this higher high here that is higher than the previous high, and we have the higher low that is higher than the previous low. Now, applying this concept, let's take a look at Hang Seng Tech. Now, it's probably easier if we switch the price chart to a line chart, and also probably easier if I just condense the price movement to see the day movement into a week. And because we are just interested to know whether there is a trend reversal and whether Hang Seng Tech has flipped upwards or not, right? So first, let's define the few highs and the low points here. Now, number one, if I randomly picked a high and a low, then you can see that at this place here, this would be a lower low and a lower high versus the previous low and high. We always compare to the preceding low and the preceding high, right? Now, this point here is also a lower low if we compare to the previous low, and this point here it's seemingly a little bit of a lower high, and then this one is a lower high, right? Now, at this place, and that's where things get a little bit interesting, we start to see a low point here, which is an U-shaped pattern here, but it's higher than the previous low. Well, it doesn't confirm a trend reversal yet. That means it doesn't confirm that the downtrend has reversed. So what do I need to observe next? I need to observe that the high point is making a higher high than the previous high. So we can see that this particular high point here, which is this point here, it's making a higher high than the previous high. Then what I need to observe again is whether the low point here it's making a higher low, which in fact it is, right? If I compare to this point and this point here. So next high point, is it making a higher high versus the previous high? Yes, it is. Is it making a higher low versus the previous low? Yes, it is. And how about this point here? Yes, it is making a higher high. And how about the recent low here? Yes, it is making a low point here, which is like a U-shaped pattern, but it's higher than the previous low point. So in this case, because we do have this and this, a total of 3 highs, and this, a total of 3 lows. So that makes up 6 points, right? 6 in total, highs and low. So in any case, then this would constitute an uptrend already. And where does the Hang Seng Tech reversed? It reversed around this point here when price make a higher high versus the 2 previous high point, and it make a higher low. So let me just clean this away to just put everything in perspective, right? So if I were to draw in, let's say, for example, a horizontal level here. All right, okay, so we can see this point here makes a higher high versus the previous high, and subsequently it make a higher low versus the previous low. And we can see that the next two highs, they are indeed higher, and the next two lows, they are indeed higher. So in this case here, this gives rise to a uptrend. Now, for example, if you would like to tap into, let's say, opportunity into the Hang Seng Tech, then there are a few instruments that you might want to explore, such as DLCs, daily leverage certificates, or warrants, or even the ETF, which is exchange traded funds. Again, this video provides you with an overview of how to analyze into the trend from the point of a higher high, higher low, which you can easily read up from the internet to understand, or just get the AI to define how to define trend, which you get the concept of higher high, higher low. All right, so this is a very short video here for the start of the year, and hope that you like this educational video. If you do, please give a thumbs up or click the subscribe link. Thank you, and see you in my next video.